How to unlink two iPhones. There are times when users want to unlink their Apple ID, such as when selling or giving away an old iPhone. So in this video, we'll share 5 unlink ways. Way 1, how to unlink two iPhones on Settings. Open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID. Select the one you want to unlink. Then click on Remove from Account. Way 2, how to disconnect two iPhones with iClouds. Go to iCloud.com on any browser. Sign in to iCloud with your Apple ID. Click Find My App. Click All Devices and select the iPhone you want to disconnect from the list. Then click on Remove this device option. Way 3, how to unlink iPhones on Find My App. After signing into your Apple ID on your device, open the Find My app. Tap on Devices. Tap on iPhone name. Tap on Remove this device. Tap on Remove. Then you will be able to disconnect the two iPhones. Way 4, how to unlink two iPhones in appleid.apple.com. Visit appleid.apple.com. Sign in with your account credentials. Click on the Devices section. Select and click on the iPhone you want to unlink. Then click Remove from Account and confirm the action. Way 5, how to unlink two iPhones without Apple ID password. If you purchased a used phone and you don't have an Apple ID passcode linked to it, how do you unlink two iPhones with the same Apple ID? iSunshare can help you. Case 1, Find My iPhone is disabled. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Go to Download and install iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius on your PC. Launch the software. Select Remove Apple ID. Click the Start button. You will get the Apple ID removed in minutes. You can sign in with a new or different Apple ID. Case 2. Find My iPhone is enabled and iOS version is 11.4 or above. Select Remove Apple ID. Click the Start button. Confirm two-factor authentication is turned on. Enter 0000 and click Next button. Hit the Download button to download the firmware package for your iPhone. Click the Unlock button. When the unlocking process is complete, click Next. Follow the steps to unlock Apple ID with device passcode. Set up the iPhone until you are in the activation lock screen. Tap Unlock with passcode. Choose Use Device Passcode. Enter the screen passcode to remove your previous Apple ID. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.